Oh my goodness, look at this. It's April and it's snowing. That should be spring showers. But anyway, I think I'm just gonna drink a beer and shoot a video. So today we're making beef yakisoba. I like that word. And you can do it in 30 minutes. It's absolutely delicious, great dish. So let me walk you through this. First up, what we're going to do is cook our yakisoba noodles, and these are about 7 ounces, and we're going to cook these for about 30 to 40 seconds. And the instructions are always on the package. And I'm just going to loosen these noodles up a little bit. Loosening noodles, that's fun. And you can use any kind of noodles in this recipe, such as chow mein, whatever you like. And I'm just going to drain these using my colander. Next up, what we're going to do is slice up the beef and go across the grain. You don't have to use beef. You can use, chicken, whatever, pork belly, whatever protein you like. But you want these fairly thin. Something like this. Next up, I'm going to add some oil to my wok. And you can use a pan too if you like. This is about 350 over medium-high heat. Add the beef in. And we're going to fry this just until it's cooked through for, I'd say, 4 minutes, something like that. After about 4 minutes, the beef is nicely browned, so I'm going to add in the carrots and the cabbage, and of course the onions. And I'm just going to fry and toss these just for a few minutes. And you want these about halfway done because I like a bit of a crunch to my veggies. Alright, let's put the noodles back in. We're going to season it up with a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. That word is always hard to say. A tablespoon of oyster sauce. And this is a spice I love. A tablespoon of soy sauce. And last but not least, some ground black pepper. And we're going to stir fry this and toss it, I'd say just for a couple of minutes. This looks and smells so good. Okay guys, let's go ahead and plate this yummy dish up. This is going to be so delicious. Okay, we're going to garnish this up with some green onions and some pickled ginger. And you can buy this in the store, or I'll put a link to our blog which you can read. And there you have it guys, our beef yakisoba. And believe me, it's so quick and easy to make, and you can do it in 30 minutes. Simply delicious. Alright, let's give this a taste test. I'm not very good with chopsticks, but... This is so good, guys. I'm going to have some of my ginger. Absolutely delicious. For the full recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. Give us a thumbs up, and most of all, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.